The 2015 Mazda CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good pick for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, backup camera, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, fog lights, CD player, rear window defroster, heated front seats, brake assist, leather, power moonroof. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.